You sing guitar. Na your first day. So also some more on so guitar no see actually wala. And I actually guitar. Nti na your first day you sing guitar. Nti you sing no you lesson 1 2 3 and this one so if you take one day more guitar. Nti first day na you say and then you be sing akwan fa so you sing guitar no mansa. Because bibia no am so so much more. So we are learning how to handle the guitar or hold the guitar. So we so say what's your shape any shape so the curve now means something. The curve in say and no one 9 way and now way yeah this is back so we place it on one of your thighs. That's the purpose of the curve there. You so say now they see una so it's the first thing why first you na so na me the way so na person this here now do you want to put it here or here?
Here.
You want to put it here?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. It's also one. Then the right hand, you bring it on the board like this. If it is a bass guitar, you do like this, but it's not a bass guitar. We are learning lead guitar, so you bring it here. You get that's how this must match the strings here. You get me? So that's the reason why we brought the whole palm on the board here. So here you do this, the thumb press from top. So no, do that. Then you use the first finger. So let me teach you how to hold the guitar first. So you bring this, the left hand, you bring it here. You see, if you bring it here, it's not just holding it anyway. You put the thumb, you see, at the back of the guitar, not on the top, at the back. Then you place the whole fingers here on the guitar board. Do you get it?
Yes.
So the first step, this is how the lesson 1. So I say this is what? Lesson 1. Anytime I will ask you about the lesson 1, this is what I want from you. The piano busa say lesson 1 pe. That just it means ada wo so mu na wonim hwe or guitar no bi da na wonim say dey sit am. Yesua no. Akwan e fa so esua. So the beginning of the lesson is how to hold the guitar. Then this hand position and the left hand position. So we learn how we put the guitar on our thighs, right hand technique, and the left hand, how to hold the guitar properly. So here, you can put your leg on something, this leg, so that the board will come up for you to play. You can choose to put it down. You see, when I put it down, you see the guitar slides down somehow. So bring it up, you see. So it is very clear for you to see from where you are, the board. I'm talking about the board. If you say the board, from here, the wooden side here is the board I'm talking about. That's the guitar we are learning. This is the wooden board. Do you get me?
Yes.
So the lesson 1, we are not learning the parts of the guitar. It's not parts in the use. Name when say you see a so guitar and we any name is saying lesson 1 because we need most are intimate statistics. So what I say, they say my child guitar muso. It's baby I wish you be an the guitar so on some as what you so pepper and I will be sure about the guitar mama. We make it was so mona what was not to have pepper. A cost of pay. What? Oh, yes, about and she say. Oh, about to say. Now we're not so come. We're not to actually. Now we're not to so it's like so also I didn't say. Oh, for Sabra. Oh, did you say? I'm holding you this way. To be also me say we did actually. To me say me also be me say. You hold me like this. You see, or this way, or this. You see. So you don't have to put it at the top of the guitar like this. How can you hold? So touch me. Let me see how you. Yes. Press it hard. You see how you press me. So the same way we will go to press the guitar. So if I say press me, you don't just hold me. This is hold. You are holding me, so you are not pressing me. But if you press me, it means you press me hard at the tip of the fingers. So we use the tip of the fingers to play guitar, but not just holding the guitar. Do you get me? So the lesson 1, we are done with the lesson 1. We continue the lesson 2. That is learning the board, the parts of the guitar. So we are done with the lesson 1. Do you understood? Have you understood it?
Yes.
The lesson well?
Yes.
So okay. Exam. Pick up the guitar for me. So action. So that is how the first lesson done. That is how it is. How to hold the guitar, pick up the guitar and hold it well. So I will give you assignment after this lesson. But I'm sure this lesson, the exercise is not much needed. So we are done with the lesson 1. We are going to the lesson 2. So let's end it here.